What's up, everybody? What's up, happy people? This is BGFX Legend and welcome back to yet another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys the best time zones, the best time periods to trade gold. And I'm sure you have seen over the past few months, a lot of people have been hyped by trading gold. A lot of traders are actually trading gold now, but I've seen also people making money, and I've also seen people losing. And I want to make sure that as you watch this video, you avoid certain losses just by using one thing: timing. Timing is very important whenever you're trading. Now, what are the best times you should trade gold? But before we get there, I want you to watch this video until the end, because there are a few things that I'm going to explain that are very important for you so that you can apply the timing correctly. Okay, trading gold is rewarding and supposed to be simple, but I've seen a few mistakes. Number one, most traders overcomplicate trading gold. Trading gold should be simple. It's just like any other pair in terms of price action. However, there are a few things that you need to understand. Number two, gold has massive volatility and massive liquidity in the markets. The pair moves aggressively. So let's say you've been trading Euro USD and GBP USD. I would say they are low to moderate pairs in terms of volatility. But when you're looking at something like gold moves aggressively. It moves like US 30, Nasdaq, and so forth, especially during red news. Right now, whenever you're trading gold, you don't need luck but the right trading system. I always emphasize this thing with traders. Before you can tackle trading gold, you need to have a trading system that works. Something that actually works and has an edge in the market. You don't want guesswork when you're trading gold. A lot of people have been banned. They've lost a lot of money because they don't understand how important a system is. So now, let's continue. Now, this is why traders lose money whenever they are trading gold. Number one, you sit on charts or you sit on your trading desk for hours trying to force trades. Never force matters whenever you're a trader. If the trading setup is not there, it is not there. Number two, you are taking random trades, a lot of random trades. There is no context in your trades. You cannot explain your trades in terms of the market, price action, and a lot of factors that affect the market. You just don't understand how the market moves at all. Now, this is another mistake that traders make whenever they are dealing with gold. You treat trading gold like you are trading Euro USD or GBP USD. Although these are pairs with candlestick charts and so forth, but remember, gold is a precious metal. During times of economic turbulence, a lot of people tend to buy gold. And also when investors are uncertain, especially with the US dollar, with the dollar, they tend to buy a lot of gold. And you also see when a lot of people are buying a lot of gold, gold tends to move aggressively to the upside because more people have a lot of jewelry, they have a lot of gold in their homes. Okay. And also another thing that I've also seen is a lot of countries tend to hedge their economies using gold. So whenever you are dealing with gold, you need to understand economics. You need to understand fundamentals, how economies are being run and what is happening in terms of news, what is happening around the world. This can actually help you to avoid certain losses. You'll see as I record this video this week, a lot of people saw gold buying massively. They were buying, but they did not understand what was happening now economically, and they continued buying. Some even like ignored the fact that there were a lot of things happening around the world. Gold sold massively from that price point. It's because they don't understand how gold moves. So you need to, as a trader, this is not really where I want to focus in this video, but spend time understanding gold if you want to trade gold. Now, gold does not make clean moves all day, just like any other pair. You need to be strategic. Okay, you see there are times of consolidations or times of low volume where you see prices just ranging. There's no movements. You don't want to place a trade and it's just moving up and down. You want to place a trade during high impact or high momentum or high volume times, that is when you are going to see your profits quickly, especially those who day trade on scalp, right? You want to place your trades during the day and close within a few minutes, a few hours, or before the day closes. You want to time high session volume times, okay? So there are specific time windows for gold. Just like you see on this chart, there are times where there were low volume periods and then we saw huge massive candles, right? Momentum candles, and then we see another consolidation or retracement, and then we see another push again, push phase. So you want to place your trades during those push phases. Now, as a trader, you need to expect the highest volume during London to New York overlap times, okay? This is what to expect. During this time, volatility in the market expands. How do you see that? You are going to see with the evidence of massive long candles, okay? The candles are going to be relatively big compared to the other candlesticks. Number two, you are going to see that liquidity enters the market. Banks are trading now. Big people are trading now. A lot of people are actually in the markets at this particular time. Now, you are also going to see clean and long sustained moves. As a trader, when you place trades, you want those clean and long sustained moves, especially for people like myself. I like to trade with sniper entries. I want to trade and I don't want to see a lot of drawdown in my trades. However, I need to also explain that I'm not saying you cannot trade any other time, but these are the best times to trade. Now, before we continue, guys, I want you guys to do one thing for me, right? If you like this content, please click the like button so that the algorithm will push the video to more people like yourself and they can also benefit from this video. And also, if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button so that each and every time I upload a video, you are the first one to be notified. And also make sure you share with your friends. You can also follow me on our Instagram page as shown on the screen. Now, what are the best times to fail? This is when I've seen a lot of traders lose money and fail, right? Whenever you place a trade outside high volume sessions, when you're trading gold, you are most likely going to lose, or you are going to spend so much time in a trade only to be taken out at break even or taken out at a full stop loss. Now, during this time outside high volume sessions, there are a lot of fake moves. You are also going to see a lot of stop hands. Price is also chopping. It's not really moving. There are no long sustained runs. Now, it is during this time that traders lose a lot of money. Low volume times. You want to try and avoid that. And I believe you are smart enough to do that. Now, these are the best times to trade in my own opinion, okay? However, I also trade outside these, like just like the London session and the New York session whenever I'm trading other pairs. But trading from Monday to Friday, from 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. New York time, this is the best time zone. You can actually merge this with your time zone based on your location. You can also trade from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. London time, right? And these time zones, in my own opinion, if you go and check on your charts, you're going to see that a lot of volume is actually induced in the markets. And if you have trades that are running from the previous day, you're going to see that from these times, normally the market starts to move either in your favor or against you. So if you're a scalper, if you're a day trader, you want to try and time this window period. However, gold sometimes, depending on what is happening fundamentally in the markets, you can see that it can also move during early London session or early New York session. But however, these are the best times in my own opinion. Now, what do professional traders do whenever they are trading? I need to explain this. If you really want to be a master of something, you need to understand the art of that thing, okay? So professional traders, whenever they are trading gold, they try to stick to one strategy. Matter of fact, they stick to one strategy. So you need to stick to one strategy that works. If you don't have one, make sure you look for one. And if you cannot look for one, make sure you look for a mentor who has one in the trading community that works and you can be helped. Make sure you look for a strategy that works, and you trade at least 1 or 2 pairs, especially when you're starting. Okay, and if you can, try to time 1 session, and if you can also time 2 sessions. By 1 session, I mean, imagine you're doing other things, spending the whole day just looking at the charts like this. You end up taking random trades and you end up losing your money. But if you time to say, maybe I'll only trade during London to New York overlap, or during New York time, or during New York session time, that's when I'll sit on my desk and look at my setups. And also, professional traders, they mix time and price. Time and price is very, very important for good, high quality trade setups. Now, one solid rule you must keep if you want to keep these times and trade gold. This is something I always tell traders and I always tell my students. If it's not there, it's not there. If the setup is not there, it is not there. If you are outside the sessions, you are not there. Don't place a trade. If there is no volume, don't trade. If there is no session to trade, don't trade. Don't place that trade. You can analyze, you can do other things, but try to time sessions. It is very, very important. Now, if you are a trader who wants to master trading in 90 days and become a 6-figure trader, my name is BGFX Legend, and I've helped thousands of traders to master trading across the world. You can actually check our Instagram page for student results, DM or check the link in description for trading guidance and get a free consultation. Now, if you want to elevate your trading career and become a multiple figure trader, we have one of the best industry leading trading education or trading masterclass. Currently, we have a massive discount on our trading masterclass. You can actually book a free consultation call, where I can speak to you, talk to you, and understand your trading journey and the challenges that you're facing, and also see how we can help you. If you want to contact me, it is very simple. If you want to get in touch with me, you can either email us on the email provided on the screen, or follow us on our Instagram. You can actually DM or click the links in description on our Instagram page, or visit our website, or also you can contact us in the details that are in the description below. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you think about this video, if you have learned something, and also tell me the times that you use to trade, the time zones that you use to trade, and tell me where you are located. So if you loved and enjoyed this content, thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. So ladies and gentlemen, BGFX Legend, a peace.